Welcome everyone, PEDRO here with another video. Just wanna got another live stream going tonight. It is 6:39 a.m. We are about to start shortly, guys, so just bear with me. Want to welcome everyone. As we have more and more people join us, we're gonna get started shortly. So sorry guys, these ads are crazy. All right. We're about to start our live stream, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we can. It's the beginning of a new month, so we'll see. We'll rush into it, but we'll see if we find any opportunities. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome. We're just going to begin shortly, guys. I'm just going to get everything set up right now. Get all the description set up and everything. So just bear with me. Give me a few minutes and we'll get started. All right. Right. Let's go, let's go. Just gonna move our screen to a trade that we were able to profit. So last night we took this trade over here. Price was consolidating. We had that push up to this level, which I mentioned would reject potentially because we are at a level of resistance technically, and we shouldn't be looking for any buy setups anytime soon. And so price came back up, created this double top, then melted, and now it's coming back up and retesting a third time. This looks like a triple top formation at this point, guys, for Euro odd. Yeah. Let's clean this up a little bit. US30, yes, we got US30. We got the pullback we wanted, guys, because I don't know if you guys remember, I said we're going to wait for US30 to start forming some sort of a double bottom or something, you know what I mean, where we start seeing, okay, price is starting to form this bottom area, right? It's starting to bottom out. It's starting to hold this level of support, right? So we got this beautiful wick rejection, as you guys can see, and price is slowly starting to what we want to see is some sort of consolidation and also rejection. A nice strong bullish candle close on the daily for a continuation to the upside and overall change of market structure. We are at that level of support. So on the daily, and if we go down to the 4 hour, remember I mentioned, guys, after a strong push like this, yeah, like after a strong push like this to the downside, I'm expecting price to kind of exhaust, take a little break, and change its overall bias and direction. But we don't know, right? For all we know, price could just pull back up and then continue going down further, right? So we have to just kind of analyze the market and look for that. That'll tell us, right? If we see price come here, this is where I saw price would stop on US30. That's why I drew this green line, and then this would be another target level. But you can see that price is already reacting to this level over here. So if price comes back up, if price comes back down, it comes to this level, and you see rejection, then we know that's a double bottom, right? And so if we start seeing rejection a second time here, then we can start now looking for potential buys and looking for that full breakout to the upside for a continuation of a bullish trend. Let's go, let's go. US30 looking good, looking good. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're getting a couple more people join us. I had to add some tags to the video. I don't know. I'm just saying. Take a look at this, guys. We are in a range on Gbpusd, right? We know that. But if we look at the 1 hour chart, check this out. You guys gotta check this shit out. Look at this formation, double top formation. So price rejected this level of resistance twice at a major key level, and we know it's just ranging, right? Not only that, we got a strong momentum push, okay? And now we're getting a pullback, right? Price is now already rejecting this level of support here. So let's kind of zoom in here. So this is the 1 hour. The 4 hour, you can kind of clearly see it is a double top formation here on Gbpusd. Do you see that? Double top, 1, 2. Strong rejection to this level, okay? So I'm expecting maybe a potential good sell, but we just gotta wait it out. Let's narrow it down to 30-minute, and we could probably find like a nice clean entry at the highs, right? So let me see, let me use this. Yes, a lower high, yeah. And then we've got trend line break, yes. I'd probably get on sells. I'm getting on sells right now, guys. Setting my stop loss 1.70025. So we could set like our first TP probably around this range area here. See that? See how it's like a certain area? So I'd say probably the 0.618, but just gotta keep an eye out for it. So I'd say probably like, let's just set our targets here. Technically price, I could see price coming back down to the bottom of the range, and that's kind of like our main target TP4, but let's just set it probably like around here, 0.618, and then, I mean, depending on how price is reacting, a double top formation on the 4 hour. And not only that, we saw price react to, okay, we've got Adel Hoodie. Hi, first time here. Can you comment on gold? Yes, absolutely. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, man, make sure you join the family and hit that subscribe. We're here every single day, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time, 6:30 a.m. Let's go. Yeah, we could take a look at gold. Give me one sec. So I'm just going over this current trade that we just took right now live. So yeah, so I already got in. My entry was a little bit higher than this, so I'd say probably like around here. But that's not the point. Like, I would probably move my stops to break even probably when price is already around here. Okay, so then that way it's a complete risk-free trade. All right, you guys get it? And then so yeah, so obviously, you know, price could do anything at any moment. Price could probably reject this, continue higher and not reject this level, but we saw price already kind of reject this level 1, 2, 3 times already, and then we got that strong bearish candle, and then we see rejection here already on the 30-minute, right? On the 1 hour, we're already getting some sort of rejection. Not only that double top formation at the top of the channel is giving me that strong indication that price has a lot more juice and continuation to the downside, right? So that's kind of my overall analysis on Gbpusd. We are on current sells right now, guys. So yeah, let's go. Let's get it. So, like I said, I did very low risk. So right now I'm on a full lot. So kind of to give you guys an idea, in my mind, I know that I'm gonna potentially lose 150 to potentially make 600, right? So mind you, let's say even if I make 370, right, and I'm only risking 150, that's still a 2.5 risk reward ratio, which is still not bad at all. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that here for now. You just gotta wait it out. If we see price, for example, start ranging or start pushing up, then that's not a problem, guys. We just gotta wait it out. Obviously, like, it's just 7 o'clock right now, so remember, patience is key. We've drawn out our areas, our key levels, and we just have to wait it out, right? If we start seeing price kind of come really up to these levels, we obviously have to understand that there will be some sort of liquidity grab, and we just have to wait it out, guys, and ride the game out. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's take a look at gold. We had a request for gold. We'll take a look. So we'll stay here. We'll leave this here, and we'll come back to it. Let's take a look at gold. Let's go, guys. Welcome. Yes. Michael Cook, yes. We got some non-farm payroll. Lots of news coming out at 8:30 today. Really important news. Let's take Adult Hoodie. Let's take a look at gold. Let's go, Michael. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so with gold, this is, you guys know what I was looking at with gold anyway. So with gold, we're just kind of pulling back to this area here. Nothing new, nothing different. So Nothing new with gold. 4 hour, we're just pulling back up, essentially. Probably gonna wait for gold to come back to this area here, pull back to this level, and then a continuation to the downside for gold. In the meantime, there's no really trade, there's no volume, there's nothing right now for gold. So let's just keep an eye out on gold. Let's see how it pulls back to this key level over here and how it reacts. If we see some rejection here, then we can expect price to come back down and create some sort of double bottom before it kind of continues to change its overall direction and start looking for buys. Because as of right now, to be honest, like at the bottom for gold, like if we go down to the daily, you can see that we are at a key level of structure. We're at a key level of support, guys. So something to keep in mind. Keep that in mind. Look, right? So I'm not really looking for sells anymore for gold. You know, so something to keep in mind there, guys. All right, let's take a look here. Couple more people joining us. Adel Hoodie, yes, yep, awesome. So yeah, so we're at that key level on the daily. We look at the 4 hour, we are rejecting this level. Short term wise, yes, we're getting that pullback to this level of resistance. Like I said, probably when it comes to this level of resistance, price will reject it back down and create some sort of double bottom potentially, and then we'll start getting that change of direction. Or price could just range for all we know, right? Sometimes the markets do go into like this range mode, and that's totally normal. So I'm not really looking for any buy positions just yet. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting for gold. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel, guys. We're here live every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. US30 pulled back exactly as predicted, guys, to our level of structure. That's why I kind of pointed out this gray area here. This level of resistance right here, guys, and you saw price pull back up. Now I'm expecting it to probably reject this. If it rejects this level, then I can expect a double bottom formation here. If it doesn't reject this area here and it continues to go higher, my next retest level is this level over here. But we're just gonna have to wait it out for US30, and that's on the 4 hour. If we go up to like even like the 30-minute just to see what's going on, it's just kind of ranging at the top of this level. Sorry, you can see it right here. One sec. Yeah, you see that? It's just ranging. So as of right now, I could draw this out cleaner for you guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the family. We got lots of people joining us right now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, yeah. So look, so it's just ranging, right? So that's how we know that market's not doing anything at this current time, at this given time, right? So I'm not looking for any trades for US30, not yet. But yeah, that's kind of the breakdown, guys. Welcome. We got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the familia, guys. Yes, I am Spanish. Let's go. Welcome. Join the family, guys, if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button as well too while you're at it. And when you subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you get notified every single time I'm live. I was live yesterday, guys, and we also caught a couple trades yesterday. Actually, we caught about two solid trades yesterday on our live streams. I went again in the morning, and then I was also live in the actually at nighttime, to be honest. Like I promised, I said I would come around 11 at night, so we were here. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, do me a huge favor and let me know in the chat box, guys. I really appreciate it, because it just lets me know that I'm doing my thing, so let me know in the chat box, guys, if you're enjoying these live streams, and also hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Guys, so Gbpusd looking pretty good so far. It is holding this level of rejection. So I would probably trail my stops a little bit higher, and probably like a 20 pip stop loss, and then kind of target these lows over here. If it holds this level of rejection, we're going to see a nice clean move to the downside. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you this because we are at a double top formation on the higher time frames. Like, even if we go up to the 4 hour, you could still see it's a double top formation here within this range. It's a double top formation, right? Like, let me clear this out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's even look at the daily, to be honest. Let's look at the daily. Yeah. We're just kind of like stuck in like somewhat of a range, kind of like a hold level of support. We are seeing, however, this is something to keep in mind. Let's take a look here. We are seeing a level of higher. Okay, so do you see this? Higher lows. See that? So that could be a potential for a breakout to the upside, but just something to look at, just something to keep in mind. This is a level of resistance here. Okay. We are on the 4 hour, guys. Just to keep in mind, we are on the 4 hour chart. I want to see rejection of this level because we are at basically where we're at. We're just ranging right here, right? So I want to see a rejection. I want to see a rejection of this level, and I'm going to zoom in, guys, for you. So what I saw was double top formation here, and I'm just gonna draw this out for a sec. Damn, what's going on? Like, this thing doesn't want to like collaborate. It's like killing me right now. It's killing me. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome, guys. We got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel. Super excited to have you guys part of the family. So if you're new, make sure you join the family. Join the right community here. Damn, I can't draw for crap, man. I am not good at this. What's going on? This software guy. Okay, anyways, so we're on the 1 hour. We know the 4 hour we're stuck in this range. Okay, we are getting higher highs, slightly. Right, slightly, not really, to be honest, but so we are kind of ranging within this range, right? So not only that, we came to this top, rejected it twice. So we got that rejection here on the 4 hour, strong bearish candle here on the 4 hour, and now we're getting price pull back up. So yeah, we had candle close on the 4 hour. Taking a look at the 1 hour, we saw that double top at the top of this range. So now what I'm just expecting, like, price to potentially reject this level here, guys. We want to see rejection of this level for a continuation to the downside. Obviously, we can expect like heavy wicks. That's kind of what I'm expecting, what I'm seeing anyways pan out. And so this is the level I want price to reject, right? This level here. And then for a continuation to the downside, right? Probably to these lows here within the range. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We got a couple more people. I can't trade. We've got Michael here. I can't trade London anymore. I'm East, and it was killing my sleep schedule. US session for now on laugh out loud. Yeah. No, trust me. Oh man. Telling you guys, I can't. It was destroying me too. Doing London, no man, I can't do London session. Mind you, that's when you get like the most moves, but it's okay, because New York is pretty good. New York is the aftermath, and like that's usually when we get these nice clean pullbacks anyways after a strong push, right? So, but damn, yeah, man. I feel you, Michael, man. It's not easy, brother. It's not easy, that's for sure. So yeah, anyway, so we see the double top formation here at the top of the range. So confirmation number 1, we're at the top of the range. Confirmation number 2, we're forming a double top formation on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Confirmation number 3, we've got a strong momentum push, right? And break of this level low. So this level of structure, we broke it, right? We had that strong momentum push, and now we're pulling back up, and we already have, right now we're on the 30-minute, we already have 3 candle rejections. Price trying to push back up, but it's failing, right? So I'm already in this trade. The ideal entry is always at the top, to be honest, right? Because you have much more less risk, right, that you're putting on the table or against you, right? So good potential trade, guys. Like this trade here, like I see lots of potential for it to continue to go down further, like reject this level, and if we see another rejection candle and a strong bearish candle, then I see price melting, to be honest. Probably maybe we'll react to this level a little bit, and then a continuation to the bottom of the channel, which is what we had set up anyways. So we had, give me 1 second here. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's pull this up like that, just so you guys can see a little bit more clear. So we've got the push, let's say the push would be here. Yeah, it's like literally rejecting the 0.618. Yeah, so rejecting 0.618, this is good. And then let's see how much of a move we're talking here. So we're talking about a 43 pip move. If we target this area here, and then if we target the lows here, we're looking at almost 70 pip move. Right, so 68 pip move. Welcome, guys, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us. I know that we had a couple other subscribers also, so thank you and welcome to the channel. Super excited to have you guys. Got a nice low stop loss, like 15 pip move, and target the bottom at 0.618, 43 pips. That way we're not risking too much, guys. That's the idea. Let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go, let's go. A couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome, welcome. If you have any questions as well, guys, don't be shy. Comment it below in the chat box. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. I'm here every single day, so. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, Jess. Jess, welcome to the channel. We got another subscriber to the family. Welcome. Bienvenida a nuestra familia. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yes, we got Harpreet here. Harpreet, what's going on? Shout out, brother. Shout out to you. Harpreet's one of our family members here. He's always here live with us every single morning. What's up for NFP? Oh yeah, let's see what's going on. What's going on? Yeah, we got some really important news, guys, so we gotta keep out on 8:30. At around 8:30, you know, if this for example, this pair, let's hope that it doesn't, but let's say it starts kind of ranging here within the entry, I would just get out, just because you don't want to be stuck here and price starts wicking out like crazy because of the news. So remember, it's Friday. There's lots of news coming out. Non-farm payroll. So let's just keep that in mind, guys. Okay. Like, I'm just trying to show you guys, you know, the trade opportunities the market could be throwing at us, but we also have to be very mindful, right? So, all right, guys, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us. Okay, Chatham. Hey, good morning. Chatham asks, can you have a look at EJ? Yeah, of course, absolutely. Let's take a look. All right, so EJ, yes, we've had a pretty good trade yesterday with Euro JPY. Remember, I showed you guys the head and shoulder pattern formation. We had a break of structure. It had price kind of pull back and it melted to our TP level here. So really nice trade, ended up going in our favor. Right now we got bullish momentum after this, to be honest. So if we go over to the daily, let's kind of take a look and see what price is doing. So yeah, so price actually pushed pretty bullish. I would say kind of the next level I would probably target for Euro JPY could possibly be this level here. This level like over here. But also price is somewhat reacting to this level and it could just be wicking out. So this is kind of like an area that I want to be looking at, but it seems like price has broken that level. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, it's super bullish right now. So see how price is kind of reacting here a little bit. It's rejecting it right away. Let's kind of see what price does, and let's see if price continues to push up. And then let's see if price kind of pulls back to this level again for a continuation to this major key level over here at 141.460. Yo, let's go. We got Michael. Michael's also part of the family, guys. Shout out to Michael. Thanks for joining us, Michael. He's got a question, not a question, but a comment here. NFP seems to whipsaw 90% of the time, blasts through the stops and takes them off. Yeah, absolutely. It's a complete disaster. I don't trade news, guys, to be honest with you. I do my technicals. I look at the news. It is important to be aware of the news. Yeah, I don't really trade. I don't trade news. People actually trade news. You know what I mean? So, to me, it's just kind of like, it's very risky. You're kind of like pretty much gambling. Like I personally don't really like it. I like technicals, but if you know how to trade news and you master that skill set, then that's good for you. Yeah. Like, fundamentals are important, but you know what I mean? Like, to each their own. I prefer to trade technical. I'm a technical trader, right? So it's kind of like what I see. What do I see price doing? You know what I mean? That's kind of what I see the market. I like it that way. There's so much out there that, you know, it's so confusing and stuff. GBP odd trade, yeah, looking pretty good. We are getting that rejection, guys, so we just gotta wait it out. It was going into profit and then it kind of pushed back in, but we're holding that rejection level on GBP odd. So let's just kind of stand our ground and see what happens. So we were in profit for a bit. It just kind of fluctuates right now. But if we get closer to like 830, and price is still kind of ranging, I'm just gonna get out. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm in profit, cool. But if I'm not, like, I'm not. You know, you gotta be smart with that, guys. Really smart. Exactly. We got Michael shit, and the spreads go insane. That is true. Spreads go like crazy. Yes, and all the volume is very tempting, but it's a dangerous game. Absolutely. Harpreet, yeah, that's all big bank game. Yeah, it's a big banks. It's the big boys, the market movers. Remember the train example I gave you guys? We as traders, what we do is we hop on the train. That's all we do, right? We can never change the direction of the market. You can have a 5 million, an example, I'm just throwing a random number, but 5 million, man, for all I know, you could probably have 100 million trading account and you do like 500 lot sizes. You will not move the, like you can't, there's so many factors, there's so many variables to changing the economy of a country, let alone trying to change it with investing thousands and thousands of dollars in shorting, whatever, like, you know what I mean? So we're just like, the Forex market is like $1 trillion market. You know what I mean? That's not even a dent. Like, we're nothing in comparison into the bigger scale, right? So we don't want to bang our heads trying to think, okay, price is going to come here and it's going to reject this level, and so that's what's going to happen. No, because we can't reject the level. What we can do is look at the probabilities and be like, well, listen, we are at a major level here. We are forming a double top formation here on the 1 hour. We did get this strong momentum candle break of this level of structure, and we did get price come back up and reject this level, and it rejected it already twice on the 1 hour. Obviously, we can expect for more confirmations, but over time, exactly, nothing. 10,000 lot, exactly. And by the way, that was just more examples. But you get 500, 10,000 lot won't even dent the market, right? But anyways, so we're getting that price kind of pull back, and I want to see like heavy rejection of this level. And like I said, if we see it kind of range for a bit closer to 8 o'clock, I'm gonna get out. But let's hope that everything pans out in our favor. And we are within a range. Yes, I am aware of that. I don't like trading ranges, but if I see a good opportunity like this, a good potential trade setup, I will get in. 30 minute, 15 minute. Let's take a look at the 15. Yep. Let's go. All right, guys. Any other pairs you guys want me to look at, let me know. Let's clean this up. GBP US, we've got, so let's take a look here. GBP US, we're at a level of potential support. Let's take a look here. Jeez, man. Yeah, so we're at a level of support on the daily. All right, so we've been pretty darn bearish. Like, look at this overall sentiment, guys. This is pretty darn bearish, guys. This is super bearish. We're at a level on the daily of support, so let's kind of see where we're at. Let's go. We in profits. Gbpusd, let's go. Yeah, I kept it small. I just did the one full lot. Yeah, like it's not too much. 25 US profit right now. It's not much. Again, it's a good trade opportunity for that one. But okay, let's go. So we're at a major level of support potentially right now. So what I want to see, guys, is I want to see price respect this level of support for a continuation, not a continuation, for a rejection of this level on the 4 hour. Let's go back to the daily and draw out that line. But it might still have a little bit more juice, because you can see we still have a little bit more of a move to the downside potentially, like a wick out. We've got about yeah, we still have like a little bit of a range potentially, but we'll draw this out right now and see what price does. Like around there. Yeah, see? Price is reacting to that level. We got Michael, 10,000 lots of one with the market. Yeah, but if I could get 5 pips on that 10,000 to 10,000 lots, I'd be happy. Yeah, I think we all would be, bro. We all really would be, man. I don't know if it's early, man. I can't talk today. What's going on? Let's go. All right, guys. So Got a couple more people joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do yourself a favor and subscribe and join us. We're here every single day, Monday through Friday, guys. 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Expecting some sort of rejection of this level and a pullback to this key level over here. Obviously, it's not a key level, but just this previous level of support and rejection. You see price kind of ranged around here. Wait for price to pull back. Come back down, retest. Form some sort of double bottom and break up. Potentially, right? We don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. So I don't see a trade here anytime soon for GBP US. GU, nothing. I mean, some people like to just, oh, okay, so we're at a level I'm going to buy. I mean, yeah, you could, but I don't really recommend it. Euro US. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Yes, 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 yes. We got that pullback I mentioned. See that? Look at that. Look at that arrow right there. Look, I already had it. We came to this level of structure. Okay, look at that, guys. We came to this level of structure. Okay, this level here of structure. And do you see my arrow? I said, okay, price has come down here now, and now it's gonna pull back up. So I had the arrow, and it literally followed my arrow to this level of structure here at the top. And look, this is a, I already had like, oh look, I already had this forming here. This kind of looks like a fake out. So what I want to see is price break below this level of resistance before looking for a sell, because price could just reject this level and then continue kind of trending higher, and then that way we avoid getting wicked out if we were to get into a trade like this. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, GBP odd looking juicy, guys. This trade. All right, so we are at that level I mentioned. And I mean, here's where price could really do anything it wants. So I want to see price break this level. If price doesn't break this level, then we can kind of, I could say we're kind of stuck in this range, and that's what I don't want. So we'll just kind of monitor it. I'll move my stops to break even, and then that way it's a complete risk-free trade. So just give me 1 sec, guys. Yes, guys, so we want to see price break this level of support right now. If I see a clean break of this level and a close, we are definitely coming back down and retesting at least these lows over here, which would be a clean sell move of about roughly 60 pips. Okay, and it could go down, mind you, it could go down further to like 77 pips, but right now I'm just trying to be very conservative and manage my risk as possible, right? As much as possible, guys. Remember that, right? So we could probably come down to, yeah, like this level here. So yeah, like, you know, 60 pips. It's roughly around 60 pips, okay? But we just need to see a continuation of this bearish overall sentiment. Really, really clean trade. I just took it now, guys. I mentioned it in the live stream about half an hour ago. So let me know in the chat box if you guys got in. Let's go, let's go. Bands, what's good, man? What's good? Good morning. Friday. Yes, it is Friday, guys. So welcome, welcome. Let's get this bread. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Do me a favor, guys. Hit that like button. Gbpusd going in our absolute favor. Let's smash that like button. Let's go, let's go. We got a couple more people joining us. Yes, this Gbpusd trade, we literally just took it 30 minutes ago. I was spotting it out. 4 hour, we're stuck in this range. We're at the top of a range, double top formation here. Even on the 4 hour, you can see it right here. 1 hour looks so much more cleaner. Double top formation. Then we got a break of structure, right? Then we got price pullback. Oh man, I need this candle. If this candle closes bearish like that, then look at that pattern. What pattern is this, guys? Let me know in the chat box. What pattern am I looking at right there? Let's go, let's go. What pattern is this, guys? Let me know in the chat box. This looks very familiar, right? But also keep in mind, guys, we are at this level of support. So I knew, remember I told you guys, price, okay, it's gonna come down here, but it's gonna start reacting at this level. It's not just gonna melt, right? But once it breaks this level, if it breaks this level, then we're looking for clean sells. So I'm just hoping it does. I hope it does close a little bit below and it just breaks the level. Because then that way we're going to have a nice clean trade. I'm already in profit, but I mean, I would love for it to hit TP3 at least. Because you never know. Price could just range for a while and then finally drop. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Let's go. If you guys are enjoying these live streams, let me know. Let me know in the chat box as well, guys. We got a couple new people joining us here. Chatan, I'm in this trade with you. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Let's get it, bro. Let's go. Yeah, 15 minute looking good. I just want it to break this level. Let's go, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna change this music because it's driving me nuts. Bands. This is the only one you're in? Yeah, it's Friday. I don't really want to like overdo it. And we got way too much news going on, so I'd rather like remember quality over quantity. But it's all good, it's all good. We got lots of potential trades coming up on the weekend too. Not on the weekend, sorry. On the weekend we'll look over potential trades. Next week, we've got next week. Lots of trade opportunities always, guys. Yeah, so I'm like floating at around like 60 US profit right now on a full lot. Yeah, I didn't want to risk too much, but everything was kind of lining up in our favor, so we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. Let's go. So I'll just show you guys a little bit here so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see with the reflection. We're at 80 right now. GBP sell. Let's go, guys. Beautiful day. Thankful for every opportunity God gives us for another day. Always have to be thankful for His blessings. So yeah, guys, let's go. We don't want it to hold this level of support, because if it holds this level of support, it's just going to range for a long time. So I knew it was going to react at this level. We just got to let it do its thing. I'm going to wait it out. Like I said, once we start getting closer to like New York Open, we might start seeing a little bit more volume, and then it might be a little bit more safer to probably take some profit. But we'll see. I'm hoping it actually melts before New York Open. Let's go. Couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome to the family. Make sure you join the family and hit the notification bell. Also, join our Telegram group. We've got an awesome Telegram group. Let's go. We're on the 15 right now. I want to look at let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yes. Oh yeah, 1 hour is looking mad bearish. Wow, 4 hour. Welcome, guys, welcome. We got a couple new members joining us, guys. Couple new members, welcome. So we're looking at our trade that we just took here live with you guys. Double top formation here at the top of the range for Gbpusd. We are looking at the 30-minute. Yes, I am in this trade right now. Let's go. Welcome, guys, welcome. Yes, we got a couple more people joining us. Yes. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's hit that like button if you guys haven't already. Smash that like button. We got this. Another beautiful day today. It's pure blue skies here in Canada. It's cold as hell though. Fanny, yo, has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, man. Welcome to the family. Let's go. Cheers. Let's get it. Yeah, let's hope that it doesn't hold support, but we'll see. Welcome, guys. We got a couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Let's take a look at a couple more different pairs. If there's anything you guys want me to look over, just let me know. Let me know in the chat box. Euro odd. We're kind of at this major level here. This is the 4 hour. After a strong push like this, we're coming to this level here. Expecting price to kind of reject this level. If we get a level of rejection, I'm expecting price to pull back to this level, and then we can see price pull back to this other level, the same level here, for a continuation to the downside. So this level of support and resistance here. We want to see a break of structure, pull back, and continuation to the downside. Lester Rodriguez, hey, welcome, man. Welcome to the familia. Absolutely. Let's take a look and see what's going on. What's going on with USD/JPY. We've been able to catch a couple good trades from USD/JPY, so let's see what's going on. Let's go. Oh, Okay, yeah, so it's looking pretty bullish. Daily's looking bullish. 4 hours looking bullish. Really bullish. 1 hour's looking bullish. Alright, so let's narrow this down here, guys. We're, yeah, so I would say 30 minute, give me one sec here, 30 minute. So yeah, so we got that strong push of this level. We're holding this level of support, which is pretty good. Ideal entry would have been around here, this level here, but we're already kind of breaking these highs here, which means price could continue to go higher. It's looking like some long setups here potentially. I just want to see price push up a little bit higher and then just kind of wait for the pullback. So push high, push a little bit more higher, stronger momentum, probably when New York opens, and then I want to see a pullback. So oh man, one sec, let me just clear this out. This is looking so messy. There, like we want to see a strong momentum, then we want to see a pullback of this level of structure, and then I can see a continuation to the upside. But as of right now, I don't really see a trade setup just yet. If you want to risk getting in on a buy right now, you can, because it has rejected. We had that we had that bullish candle here. We had that pull back to this level, and it held this level of support. And then now it is pushing up. You can do that. The only thing is you don't know how far potentially it could go. I mean, the only way would probably be the fib, but even then, it's kind of telling us maybe reaching, if we're lucky, around this level here, right? Which is, if you think about it, kind of what I'm expecting here, a price movement like this, right, to this level, and then a pullback, which is what I was mentioning, right? But no one can predict the future, right? So we just got to be very mindful that we're just at a level where, yes, price came and is holding its level of support. So something just to be mindful, guys. All right, guys. So that is that for USD JPY. We've got chat time. Can we talk about NFP, how it impacts the market? Yeah, like I mentioned before, I don't typically trade news, but it does impact the market, of course. It could really change the way everything, right? It's about the economy. It's about there's a lot going on, right? So news will change a lot. I always recommend just staying out, especially if you're just starting out. Stay out of the markets. That's why I'm saying, even like with my Gbpusd trade, it's looking good, but if it holds that level of support, which it is, I don't think it's a good idea for me to hold it through until, New York open, right? See, we're getting that rejection there, right? So we got that nice push to the downside, but we're getting a rejection. So it's holding that level. Long-term wise, of course, I really do see, this pair actually going down further. But we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. We just gotta wait it out. I already have my stops. I moved my stops down to break even, so if anything, we're good. Let's go. Alright guys, any pairs you guys want me to look at? Any pairs you guys are looking at currently, or any charts you want me to go over? Let me know in the chat box, guys, below. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, so we saw that USD JPY. That's kind of what we can expect for USD JPY, guys. You saw that push. We are holding that level of support. We are creating new highs at this level. At this point, if we look at the daily, you know, price is kind of in this price discovery mode. And we are looking at the daily right now. So this level here of support. So we are creating a new higher high. Let's take a look here. Long-term wise, we could expect price to potentially come to this level here. But we'll just have to wait it out for sure. GJ. Still stuck in this range, unfortunately. It's just bouncing back up and down, up and down. Not the ideal market I want to be trading in. US30, yeah, we went over that one. Okay, price held support of this level, so didn't break down low. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay. So this level here looks like it could be a double top formation starting to form. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, so exactly. So we are at a level of structure. Let's go. 4-hour. Major key level of structure. Now it's looking like it's forming some sort of a double top formation. And then if we go down to the 1-hour, we can expect a rejection of this level. And then if we do see a rejection of this level, I want to see price break these highs over here. And then once we see the breaks of the highs, we can start looking for potential sells. Let's go. Yeah, we keep getting that rejection of that level, but price looks like it's pushing back down. So we'll just wait for the next candle to form and see what happens. Alright guys, we'll take a look and see what's going to happen. Seems like price is not, it is kind of like holding this level of support, but we'll see what happens, guys. Want to see a break of this level, and then we can see a nice clean push to the downside. Let me know in the chat box, guys, if you want me to go over any specific pair. Let me know. Let's go. We got 5 minutes, guys, before we have New York Open. Let's go. Let's get that volume going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get that volume. Let's get them pips. Let's get them pips. Let's just hope this thing melts, guys. We're pretty much there. Oh man. See, some part of me was like, you know, do a bigger lot size, whatever, right? But then it's like, what if the trade doesn't go in our favor, right? So it's always good to do proper risk management. Know your risk, right? What if price is gonna go against you? How much are you willing to risk, right? So that's what I was like, yeah, like I could, you know, kill it and do like triple the size if I wanted to, right? Of what I'm doing right now. But by minimizing my risk and being like, okay, I'm just gonna do the full lot right now, right? If price, for whatever reason, right, because the market's like that, for whatever reason, doesn't go in my direction, then I know I'm not losing too much. Guys, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Let's go. We just killed it with another Gbpusd trade live, as you guys saw it in the flesh. As you guys can see, price is going down in our favor. We had a nice perfect entry at this level here. I did move my stops to break even, so it is a trade, it is a risk-free trade now. I can't even talk right now. We've got about 3 minutes left until New York Open. Let's go. Let's get this candle to close. That's what we want. We want this candle to close bearish. Let's go. So we are basically breaking this level of structure, but we need it to close below, and then we can see a nice clean continuation to the downside. But yeah, let's see what happens, guys, and we'll go from there. Yes, let's go. We got new family members just joining our channel. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited to have each and every one of you guys join the family. We're live. I go live every single day. I don't even know why I say we're or we. Anyways, I think I'm referring to the community, the family. So we are live every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go. Let's get these pips. Let's get this bread. And let's get ahead. Let's go. Consistency gets you results, guys. I have it in my whiteboard here. Let's go. Let's get this bread and butter. Let's go. Let's go. Consistency will get you results, guys, and that's how we do it around here. So let's go. Also, feel free to join my Telegram group. We have an awesome Telegram group, guys. Really nice community of traders, like-minded traders that are looking to just, you know, connect with people, like-minded people that are looking to grow as an individual and grow their journey. So make sure you guys join. It's in the link to it is in our video description. Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, we are at New York Open pretty much, guys. So I'm going to start taking some profits. But I'll leave some running because price could just completely melt. We are getting that volume that we need. So let's go. Chat them, we've got below support now. Yes, it is below support now. So now we are getting overall bearish sentiment, guys. Guys, do me a huge favor. Let's get this video to at least 15 likes. I know our family is slowly growing by the day, and so I appreciate it. It does help support the channel. So I really appreciate it if you can hit that like button. It helps with the algorithm. But not only that, if you're just joining us, because it seems like there are a couple people joining us, make sure you join the family and subscribe. Okay, appreciate it, guys. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, I might come live. What do you guys think? Should I come live tonight? Friday, it is Friday, so I kind of wanted to chill, but I'd be more than willing to do that for you guys. And come live. I know markets will be closed by then, but we can kind of do like, you know, back testing, kind of like go over like certain charts and stuff. And if you guys would like that, let me know in the chat box below if you want me to come live tonight in the evening, kind of like nighttime, probably like same thing around like 10 o'clock. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. Let's go, let's go. It's literally melting, guys. Exactly as predicted. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who got into this trade? Let me know in the chat box, guys. Who got into this trade? Yes, yes. God is good. That's right. God is good. Yes. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Panned out exactly as predicted. I think we're getting that nice push. Gonna look at the 5 minutes, see what it's doing. Yeah. So she's still a little bearish. Let's go. Alright, guys. Yeah, she still has a little bit more juice in her. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I feel like she still has a little bit more juice, but remember, no greed, no greed. It's gonna take some time anyways, guys, by the time it reaches this RTP3. So if you guys want, take some runners and then just let it do its thing. Or you could take majority of the profits and then go from there. Let's go. That trade was clean, guys. Clean trade. I'm pretty happy for a Friday, guys. Especially Friday when there's like major news. So pretty good, pretty good. Let's go, let's go. Chat them. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome, guys. You guys, let me know Did you guys profit? Were you able to profit? Take advantage of the trade we took right now live? Let me know in the chat box. Did you guys enjoy that explanation and watching the live trade happen in the real time? It's pretty cool, right? Looking at all the confirmations, kind of verifying everything, making sure everything looks good. Nice. Jaden Joseph's nice. First time here. Awesome, Jaden. Welcome. Welcome to the family. I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. And I do also come on the evenings sometimes, but for sure I'm here every morning. So welcome to the family. Make sure if you do subscribe, just make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you get notified. Otherwise you won't get notified when I'm live. Just got in late. Okay, no worries. Just be careful though, because we're already, like, do you see I closed my profits here. It's gonna start pulling back, and most likely it might pull back for a little bit and then a continuation. So you're not late, just, it's all good. Just kind of manage your own risk, right? Just don't overtrade. All right, guys, let's go. Jaden says, love the knowledge, bro. Blessings, bro. I will be here every day, fam. Yes, let's do it, fam. We got this. We got this. Yeah, man, I've been doing this for like quite some time, to be honest with you. Like Forex specifically, about 4.5 years. And then actually like crypto or trading as a whole for 6 years. I got involved, me and the wife got involved actually 6 years ago. Back when Bitcoin was at 3,000. We got into Bitcoin at 3,000. We had bought in 2 Bitcoins. At the time, I told the wife, I said, listen, we got to get into this. I know we're late to the game, late at the time. And I really feel something's going to happen. And, you know, she really trusted me and the entire process. And so, you know, the wife was willing to kind of take that risk, you know, and be like, hey, let's do it. You know what I mean? Let's go for it. And so we were able to take that risk and man, like a couple years later, like we have a house now, and, you know, like we were able to pay a portion of our, you know, school debts and stuff that we had to pay, our cars, like car loans that we had, you know, we were able to pay that off thanks to the profits and, you know, the trading in between, right? Like we had Ethereum, we had a couple other different cryptocurrencies that I got into, and that's kind of what got me shifted into Forex. So yeah, no, it's been a blessing for sure. So thanks for joining us, guys. Chethan, yeah, he put the love money aside. Yes, we did nicely today. We did nicely today, guys. Do you normally tell when to buy or sell? Jaden's asking. And which pay do you normally trade daily, bro? So yeah, so like if I'm live, I will share my analysis with you guys. Obviously, like I don't do signals or anything like that, just because like it's just not my, like, you know what I mean. But I do share my analysis, and I'll tell you, hey, like I'm in this trade, so I will let you guys know all the time. So if we're in a live stream and I'm in a trade, I'll let you guys know. Jaden, I've been trading for a while now, but been struggling, bro. What's your struggle? What's your struggle, bro? Let me know. What's your struggle? You can be honest with me. Just tell me, like, do you find yourself over trading? Do you find yourself risking too much? Or what is it that you're struggling with? I want to see if I can help you. That's what we're here for. And then yes, I do a top-down analysis. So I look at like the main ones I look at is the daily, 4-hour, and then I narrow it down to 30-minute and 15-minute. It's my way of doing it. There's different ways. Every trader is different, but this is how I look at it, and it works flawlessly because I'm able to get an idea of the direction of the market, the daily, and then I'm able to get an idea on the 4-hour, much more clear vision, right? So yeah, like pretty cool. And I go over it all the time, kind of what I'm looking at and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, this trade was amazing. We had a really nice, clean trade setup here, and we were able to profit yet again on our live stream. We were able to catch, let's take a look here, 32 pips. So imagine that, like that's a nice clean move, guys. Obviously, I had my stop loss back to break even, and it was officially a risk-free trade. I already took my profits for the day. Let's go. Over trading and patience, bro. I know. I get it, man. I've been there. Trust me. It takes a long time to actually get to that point where you're not over trading. So, yeah, that's... Hey, man, you know, the biggest thing that I can tell you, or my biggest advice is... And I've been there before. I think every trader's been there before where they've blown multiple accounts and stuff like that. The biggest thing for sure is to be patient and to not look at trading as a... The thing is, when I first started, I look at trading as I have to make money, or I have to flip my $500 account, for example, to $1,000 in less than a week. And so when you pressure yourself in trading, you will not succeed. So, like, my biggest advice, bro, is to just take it nice and easy. Look at trading as a side thing, as a hobby that you want to focus on. Put your time, immerse yourself in, and gain that knowledge bit by bit, and then gain that confidence to be able to look at the markets, to be able to know when to trade, to be able to be patient. And I know that's what you said, that's hard. That's the big one. It took me a while, but now I'm so much more patient. Like, another time I would have been looking, even on the live streams now that I have my YouTube channel here, I would have been like showing you guys a billion different setups everywhere, right? But it's not like that. It's quality over quantity. And that's, once you kind of get that and you understand, you're like, no, I'm not going to get in this one, or I'm going to wait for this one, or I'm going to wait for price to do this. You know what I mean? Like, right? I was patient. I knew that price was going to break. But now, you know, if you would have got in here, right? Let's say you would have got literally when I took profit here, right? And I said, guys, okay, I'm going to probably close here. Although I do believe that it will go down to our TP3, right? I had a feeling price was going to start rejecting this level after a nice clean push to the downside, right? And retest that level of resistance, right? So patience, I mean, you know what I mean? Like, you just have to be patient and know that it's going to pan out, right? And if it doesn't, you manage your risk properly, right? So your loss won't be as heavy. Yeah, that's kind of like my best advice, man. Like, trading isn't get rich quick. Trading is get rich slow. But you'll get there. You know what I mean? Alright, so we got Saksham. Yes, Saksham's been with us for quite some time as well. He's already part of the family, so... Saksham, let's take a look here. Should we trade during the news? No, do not trade during the news. Please do not. No, don't trade during the news. I don't recommend it, to be honest. Jaden says, thanks, bro. Sometimes it seems I am holding the wrong trade and closing the good ones early. Yes, that is a complete normal trader process when you're learning. It is part of the growing process. It's part of it. Trading your closing your trades early. Sometimes getting into the wrong, you know, you gotta also like get into the right time, right? That's another thing. When I first started trading, I would be trading at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right? Taking trades. Best advice, guys, don't take trades randomly, right? That's why we have the sessions, right? So if I'm trading, like today, we did Gbpusd, right? We did the British pound against the Australian dollar, right? And so I was trading at the right time where the volume was going to kick in, right? Where we were just finishing London session, right? So being able to trade at the right time is also important, guys. So that's another advice for you, Jaden, and anyone else, anyone that's here, guys, is the time that you trade is really important, right? Don't just randomly trade. I mean, there will be opportunities or times where you will see a perfect trade setup and it'll be like 2 o'clock and you're, you know, or Asian session or whatever, right? And that's fine. If you see the opportunity, sure, get in, but manage your risk. Don't over trade on that trade you may take, right? Nicholas, welcome, brother. I missed the trade, bro, but just got up. No worries, bro. No worries. It's all good. We've got so many opportunities every single day, every single week. So welcome, guys. We got a couple more people joining us to the channel, so make sure you guys join the family and hit that notification bell. Let's go. We killed it this trade. USD/JPY this morning. We were able to profit immensely on Gbpusd. And yeah, beginning of the live stream, I was looking at this. You guys saw how my analysis panned out. If you guys missed it, you can always watch it back. I do leave all my live streams on the channel so that you guys can learn and kind of look over as reference. It was a break even, not a break even. I moved my stop loss to break even, so it was a risk-free trade. So really, really nice. It panned out really nice, guys. Any questions you guys have, let me know in the chat box below. Let's go. Let's go. Jaden, thanks, bro. Really appreciate it. Absolutely, bro. And also make sure you guys follow me on my socials. Click the description box below this video and you'll be able to follow me on all my socials. I do have a Facebook group, Blessed Traders Academy, absolutely free to join. Instagram at PEDROFX Official. My Twitter, PEDROFX and my TikTok, PEDROFX. It's all the same. But most importantly, if you guys want to be up to date with everything, it's subscribing to the channel and the Telegram. The Telegram, I will let you know if I'm live or I am able to respond to certain questions if I have the chance or the time. But it's nice because you're able to get a hold of me directly when I'm not live. So really, really cool. Make sure you guys join that Telegram group as I do share my ideas and analysis there. And you guys can share in between each other as well too. So you guys are more than welcome to share ideas within that group. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We've got Peppy. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Let's get it. And then I want to share with you guys something here for a sec. So before we call it a day, I want to share with you guys something.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Let's go. I'm not leaving. The show goes on.
The show goes on. This is my home.
Welcome, Blessed family. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I'm going to have to let you guys go, but I'm not leaving. I will probably be meeting up with you guys later tonight. I will let you know in my Telegram group if I am going to join you guys. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for joining us and appreciate the support I've received in the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session that we had, this live stream. And yeah, we'll catch you guys until next time. So let's get it.